Yo, what's up guys? Today we're back with another video. Today we're doing some drifts on the quad. See, we've already done some donuts everywhere, some big drifts. Mates over there already drifting. Having a ride. Tearing it up. This over was all green before we got here. Perfectly green, like over there and everything. We've come here, been here for 5 minutes tops. Just rips everything up, eh? Just everything. And yeah, we've got a full tank, so it's going to be real good, eh? Alright guys, we might need to wrap it up because it don't sound good. Listen to this. So yeah, we'll try to come out another day.